Conditioning a positive emotional response to the sound of barking. Positive socialization is crucial for young puppies. We can use respondent conditioning to promote a positive emotional response to everything from the sound of a doorbell, to the sight of a strange person, to the sound of dogs barking, to different locations, different surfaces, basically anything in the environment that the puppy could potentially find scary. For dogs that already have a negative response to something, perhaps they react fearfully to strange people, to unknown people, or to unknown dogs, we can counter condition a more positive response. In both cases, whether it's a puppy or an older dog, we do this by pairing the stimulus, so that's the potentially scary thing, with something amazing at an intensity that's low enough for the puppy or the older dog not to react negatively, but simply to be aware of the sight or sound of whatever it is that we are going to condition. And the fact that that sight or sound leads to showers of chicken or roast beef, something the dog does not usually get but absolutely loves. Think of it like winning the lottery every time you see a spider in the distance. You should soon start feeling pretty good about seeing spiders. So we pair the stimulus. In this case, we're working on barking, so the sound of barking, with lots of treats. A good way to start is by using a YouTube video rather than a real dog. You play a YouTube video of the sound of a dog barking. The barking starts. This is followed by the commencement of a rapid-fire treat delivery. The sound of the barking stops, and the treats stop. You can simply feed the treats one after another, so treat, 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 treat. Or, if you want to, you can say yes and then feed a treat. So yes, treat, yes, treat, yes, treat. There's actually no real need for the yes, as we're not marking any particular behavior. In fact, the dog's free to sit, stand, lie down, or even walk away. But some people do prefer to use that yes. So really, there's no right or wrong here. Okay, so we've got our iPad, and I found a video that is the sound of barking dogs. It's lots of different breeds, and I get lots of treats, something really yummy. So here I've got some tiny pieces of ham, and I've got my dog. I'm going to rapid fire, so that means treat, 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 treat as quickly as I can while the sound plays. Keep the volume low. You can gradually increase this if you see that the dog's happy. You may need to move your phone or your iPad further away to make it quieter still. Okay, so the sound's about to start. As soon as the sound starts, I've got to be ready with my treats.